Hello guys, what's up? This is Video Games 101. Just going to be doing a quick unboxing of Alien Anthology. This is of the all 4 films of the Alien franchise, not including Prometheus, of course. Got this for £7, it's really cheap. Watched the first Alien film when I was about 10. Creeped the hell out of me, and I just enjoyed every single one of the films, with my favourite being the original Alien. So this is the front, and that's the side of all the 4 films. I'll now just unbox this. So it's front cover of the actual Alien. This is the side of it. The back showing all of the Alien films and the special features there, if you quite a lot of special features, and the 4 Alien films. So inside we've got the original classic Alien, great film. There it is. There as well, it says on Blu-Ray everyone will hear you scream, as the catchphrase is in space no one can hear you scream. Then we've got Aliens. This time it's war. There's a disc. And they've got Alien Resurrection. And finally, finally we've got Alien 3. Witness the Terror. Back. So that's unboxing of Alien, the Anthology for you. I hope you enjoyed. Looking forward to watching these on Blu-ray. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to comment, rate and please subscribe.